Dr. Chris Arnold here from Live Well Chiropractic. We have great results here of helping people with neck pain and also headaches get really long-term lasting results, just not temporary relief, but really lasting results because we get to the underlying cause of the problem. If you can solve what's causing the headaches in the first place, you can have relief not only for a week or a month, but also for a lifetime and really get back the life that you deserve. What we find out is not the cause of the problem is a lack of aspirin or Tylenol, right? That's why you take it, but the headaches always come back in a week or two, right? But it's actually an underlying issue. What we find is oftentimes the underlying issue that a lot of people miss has to do with the nervous system. Nerves are what controls how your body functions and how it works and also how it heals. And what we find is when there's pressure or damage to nerves, very sensitive nerves, it can lead to a lot of health issues. So typically when we find a lot of headache cases, more often than not, we see a lot of tension that develops in the neck, just like this nerve chart up here shows a lot of tension in the neck. And what it does is there'll be tension that'll develop on those nerves that go up over the back of the head and up over to the forehead. So there's the people that get the bands across the foreheads or even the temples, or just that overall achiness. Pressure and tension and damage to those underlying nerves will cause a lot of sensitivity in that area and will also cause a lot of headaches. This nerve chart here, which is really amazing, it shows you what nerves, when these are damaged or subluxated, what the effects will be on your body. And the very first thing listed on here is headaches and migraines. So science and research have shown when these upper cervical area or neck area is damaged through all kinds of stress in our lives, right? Where do we build up stress when we're thinking about things or working over a desk or picking up things? That's an area that catches a lot of tension. That's where we can pick up a lot of underlying issues. It makes sense once we correct these nerves, getting nerves flowing back to the brain, that all of a sudden normalize blood flow to an area. You're not going to get those headaches. You're not going to get those pressure on the nerves. That's how we get some really amazing success. And I can't tell you, as soon as someone says they have a headache, I almost guarantee when I put my hands on this area, it's going to typically show up as tension in those upper cervical areas. So the question is, what do you do if we have headaches all the time? First of all is get into our office, let's do an evaluation so we can see if you fit the cases. We have had cases that's not what's going on. There's something more severe, so we need to refer you out, but we're always honest with you. And if it is a chiropractic case, then the answer is let's get you adjusted. Let's correct that tension. When it happens, it's like a huge relief. People will actually say they immediately feel better, or if they have a headache, it'll immediately go away because you're solving the underlying issue. One way or another, we would love to see if you suffer from headaches, because it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to live on Tylenol or strong medications. There is natural, easy solutions through chiropractic care that research shows what is the underlying cause. And again, once we identify the underlying cause, the solution is very easy and very simple. So give us a call. We'd love to help you out and love to see you in our office and really get you the life you deserve.